Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. And this week we are going to analyze Bank Nifty candle by candle on multiple time frames. Then we are going to analyze which stocks we can buy for a portfolio. And during analysis of Bank Nifty, we will also see what kind of candlestick patterns we can identify and what is the significance of moving averages. So without further wait, let's get started. So here we are on Bank Nifty future charts on a monthly time frame. If you can see, okay. So here we can see this is a bullish pattern. This red bar was completely taken out by this green bar, but the candle closure of this month was very important for us. So October has closed. So we can say that it has closed above the previous month's high, and it's a completely bullish pattern. So I am expecting the market to further go up from here, but it is not going to be easy. We are at a level where there is a resistance here and there is a support here. So there can be a narrow candle for this month, which we can see, or there is also resistance here, which is our 20 period moving average. So 20 period moving average is very crucial here. So here this acts as a major resistance, and when the price is above 20 period, then it acts as a major support. So always watch for the 20 period moving average. So you can put any simple moving average or exponential moving average. It shouldn't matter for you because both do the same kind of work. Okay, now let's look at this from a weekly point of view. How is the week? The week has been bearish candle has formed. This was a very bullish candle, and then this complete bearish candle has formed for this week because there is a resistance at this level, because this is our 200 period moving average. So what are the key moving averages? 20 and 200. These two are your key moving averages, which you always have to plot on any chart to identify whether the trend is up, trend is down, or sideways. You can easily identify with this trend. Okay, so this is a bearish candle setup because a green bar is completely taken over by a red bar. So this is called as bear 180. Why we call it 180? Because it's a 180-degree reversal which has happened. So this concept is, I have learned it from Oliver Willis. So he uses this concept. When you see a red bar taken out by a green bar completely, then it is called bull 180. If a red bar is taking out a green bar, then it is called bear 180. You can expect a 100% reversal from this level. Now I am expecting the market to actually drop down to this next support level, which is our 24095, and it can take a bounce from here in this direction. Okay, so but it's going to be choppy because there is a resistance here, there is a support here. So we have to see how the market behaves. So on a weekly time frame, we can expect the market to fall down. So let's see this on a daily time frame now. Okay, on a daily time frame, this was very important for me because I was holding a position towards the upside, and I was expecting the market to actually bounce from here and form a green candle. But during the day, the candle has actually gone down. It was red till here, till 230, and after 230, there was a major buying which started coming, and the candle actually closed above the 20 period moving average. Now you might be thinking, what is this line? So let me show you what is this line which I have drawn. So you can see this is the time where it has spent, price has spent maximum amount of time here, here, Okay, and you can see the touches even here. Like that. So if you understand this line, it has marked all the places where the market has dropped and recovered. So this used to be a support, and then now it has become a resistance. Okay, one failed, two. Now we are at the spot. If it fails from here again, it can go down or it can go up. So this is a very critical level which we need to keep a close watch. So now let's go and look at it from a 15-minute time frame. Let's see how the zone appears on that 15 minutes. You can see these wicks are all hitting on this line. See, so the price has spent a lot of time on this point, which is 23849. Okay, so how does it look now? What is our view about the market? We don't know. It can actually open here. If it opens here, it is a good for us, or if it opens here, it is very good for us. We'll be in profit. But only point is that there is a support here, there is a resistance here. If it opens anywhere in between here, it is going to be choppy for a couple of days like this. So we have to wait and watch. If everything goes fine and the market opens up, then we will be in profit because I am holding a position which is on the upside. Okay, so let's see this on a 3-minute time frame. So on 3-minute time frame, you'll be able to clearly see why I am holding my positive position, because at the end I have seen that the market has a 20 period average moving up. Price actually closed above the VWAP, which is a very positive sign, but there is a resistance here. So I am expecting if the market gaps above this resistance, nothing like it can easily go up from here, but I don't want that to open below this VWAP line, because this again will give a lot of room for it to fall till these levels. Let me show you. From this till this level, it can easily fall into this trap if it opens below this. But first support is here, second support is here. So we are just looking at the left and the patterns formed in the past, and then expecting the same thing is going to repeat when the market comes to this position. Okay, now let's go to our charting and find out what weekly super trend is saying for us, and is there any good stock. Yes, we have weekly close crossed above weekly super trend. We have Pidilite Industries, so Pidilite is pretty decent. Let's look at the open interest, what it has. So what I'll do is let's go to futures OI scan. This is a very good tool which you can use. So this is at a very reasonable rate of. So what I'm going to do is price change, I'm going to say greater than 1 and OI chain greater than 10. So let's see if we can get anything here. Let's see. I'm not sure if this is working on a off day. I'm not able to see the build up here. Percentage change, I want greater than 10. No matching. Greater than 5, I'm able to see Dabur. So nothing, no open interest which is higher than. So maximum is about 7.9. So that is the reason we are not able to see any result. Okay, so let's see price change. Do we have anything greater than 1%? Greater than 1. There's only one, Godrej Properties. But this is not meeting any of our criteria. Our criteria is simple. Price our criteria is OI greater than 10%. Okay, and price greater than 1%. So these things we will pick up and we will scan for patterns to see how they are trending. So that's how you need to scan. So let's go to our charting software and look at Pidilite Industries. Pidilite, by the way, I have added to my portfolio because it has given a really nice breakout, if you can see into this. So the price is actually above the moving averages 20 or 21, and see the candlestick patterns. Usually whenever you see a green bar like this with volume, see the volume, towering volume compared to all the previous volumes. So this is a nice breakout of this zone. Okay, so the market has given a breakout. After breakout, either you get into this candle at this position when it's breaking out, or if you miss this candle, don't start chasing it, because the next day immediately it will come to the 50% levels. So 50% should be your price where you can buy. So this is a 50% level where you have to buy, and I'm telling you, next candle will start somewhere here. It can go above this high. You can do a buy as a confirmation after this also. I would suggest that you take 25% here, and the moment it crosses here, you take another 25%. So you make your 50% position in this for a portfolio like this. So I have already picked up at this level. I'm waiting. If now this crosses, then again I will go for a addition into Pidilite. So you can, Pidilite is a very good company which you can add to your portfolio for a longer period of time, and it has given a good monthly breakout. Okay, so this week Pidilite is enough for us, and I think for the coming week we are expecting the market to be a little choppy. So I think our safe strategies will work out better for us. So do we have any strategy to show? Let me see if it is there in my portfolio. I can show it to you. Yes, I do have one Banknifty bullish strategy is there running for me. So you can see my risk is about 1500 rupees. If I lose, if my view goes wrong, 1500 I am losing. If my view goes right and it lands up into this, then my profit is going to be 10,000 rupees. So isn't it good enough? It's a 1:7 ratio trade. Okay, so these kind of trades will give you a lot of confidence, and you can load in money into these kind of concepts where I'm just putting one lot here, but if you have capital, you can put 10 lots, 1000 lots, as much as you can into this capital, because you're limiting your risk. This is the most important factor for you to become a successful trader. So that's it for this week, and thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Please do share it with your friends who wants to learn markets and understand option strategies. So thank you guys. Have a good day.